So to start a chain, it's honestly super simple. You first of all gotta have your yarn and your hook, of course. Now with the end of your yarn, you're gonna wrap it around your finger twice. Pull the top bit to the front and then the top ring to the front again and pull it off. That's it. That's your slip knot. Let's do it again. Around and around. Top, over, top, off, pull. So that's the start of your chain. Now you're going to insert your hook, pull your yarn tight-ish, but not too tight, not too loose. And you're going to simply yarn over, which means grab the yarn with your hook or wool, if you're from UK, wool or yarn, whichever you prefer. So you're going to grab it and pull it through. Pull up a bit, grab it, pull through, pull up a bit, grab it, pull through, pull up a bit. I think you're kind of seeing a pattern here, alright? Say it with me. Grab it, pull it through, pull it up a bit. Simple. And there you have it. So then, in between each braid, you're going to see there's a gap. See? Put a hook right through it. That is going to be where you put your stitches when a pattern says to chain and then add stitches. It is in between these that you're going to add it. Next, let me show you how to do the single crochet. Now it is super simple, and here it is. So what we are going to do is go into a stitch, which is a top haul. Okay, I'm showing you here. As you can see, the top of each stitch there is a gap. Now these are where you're going to put your stitches, isn't you? So you're going to insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, pull up a little bit, grab and pull off. That's simple. In, yarn over, pull through, so you got 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. I forgot to mention how I actually hold the wool in my hand. So this is how I do it personally. I mean, there's many ways you can do it. It's whatever you feel comfortable with, to be honest. But anyways, double crochet. So you're going to yarn over. You're going to go into the stitch. Then you're going to yarn over again. Pull through. You'll have 3 loops. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull through 2, which will leave 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. That's it. So yarn over in the stitch, pull up, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. Once more, yarn over, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull up, through 2 and through 2. That's it. That is a double crochet. Next is a half double crochet, and it is what it says it is. It's basically a half double crochet. So the stitch we just done, we're going to half it. So we're going to yarn over, go into the stitch, grab up, and then pull through them all. Yarn over, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull up 3, go through all 3. Rather than splitting them up, you're going through the lot. So you pull up the 3 and you go through the 3. Yarn over in the stitch, grab, up, through, done. And that's a half double crochet. Now for the magic ring. So you're going to lay your yarn in your hand, and using these 2 fingers, you're going to cross the yarn over as you wind it round. Oh, camera. You're then going to slide in your hook, pull the back forward, pull it all off. It's a bit tricky, you might want to practice this one. And then there you go. Slip stitch and you're done.